Good people, good people. How you doing? I know y'all saving that money. You know I am. I got some coupons for this stuff. But I want to show you how do I save money on breakfast. Because some people don't eat breakfast. I eat breakfast every single day. Breakfast a champion. I'm a champion, so I gotta eat, right? But I don't want to spend all that money. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you all the stuff that I got in here and how I make my breakfast for about $3 a day. Breakfast don't cost me that much. Now I used to eat bacon and eggs all the time. Bacon, eggs, all that stuff. Some salad dressing. Look more. Got that Catalina. $3. They done went up on the price. Look at this. You know, $3.99 now. I was getting this for $2. I used to sell it at the dollar store, but that kind's nasty. So I might have to go ahead and suck it up because I need this. I used to get the small box, but that's okay. But the purpose of this video is to show you how you can save money on breakfast and save money on lunch. Because a lot of times people skip breakfast. Then they go eat that big ass lunch. Then they be broke when they go home. $15 lunch, no gas to get home. Now you gotta stop on the freeway, got everybody blocked because you fucked up and you didn't put gas in your car. Alright? So get back to the house and show you how I make my breakfast. Let's go. These hash browns right here are fire! Let me tell you, you go to McDonald's, you go to McDonald's, you're gonna pay like $2, $2.50 for these. I paid $2.39 for this whole pack. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! That's 10. I eat 2 a day, so these last me a week. A lot of people, they go to McDonald's on the way to work, pay that $2.50. You paying $15, $20 a week. I paid $2.39. That's cheap, not broke, baby. That's what we doing. So you get these, you get this hash brown right here, and you got your air fryer. Now, I'm gonna do a couple videos on the air fryer. I know people not on the air fryer. Boom, put it in the air fryer. There you go, it's ready to go, but hold on, let me plug it up. Boom, air fryer's on. Now here's the thing, when you put it in the air fryer, you gotta add a little oil. I just did it while it was plugged in. You add a little oil to the front side and the back side, and you put it right on in there. Bam. You know what? I'm greedy. I want 2 of them. I'm gonna so I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 of them in there. Bam! Put it in there. You put it on what? I put it on about 15 minutes because I need it crispy. Hot and crispy like McDonald's. But I don't want it all greasy, and it ain't costing me $2.50. This is $5 worth of hash browns. I'm eating them for what? 75 cents a piece. Bam! I put it on 400 like that. Woo! Let it go. It's time to eat, baby. See this here, while you in the shower, washing your crack, getting that funk from your pits, you can be in here letting your hash browns heat up. See, everybody out there skipping breakfast, you ain't got time. You got time. You just got to figure out the right things to cook. Okay, let's move on. And then I go ahead and put my cream of wheat on. See, you know, while I'm in the shower, this don't take long. The key for my breakfast is I let it go while I'm in the shower. This thing, the cream of wheat is already cooking. You see that? Hold up, let me show you something. First off, why do I eat cream of wheat? Because there's a black man. Look at him. That name, I don't know his name, but we're gonna call him Linwood. His name is Linwood, and Linwood makes good cream of wheat. We need to find out who this is and put him on display for Black History Month. Uncle Ben ain't the only black person cooking good food. Okay, I put my cream of wheat on, add a little sugar. Some people add salt. You crazy? That's weird. But I put a little sugar in here, and I let this go, and bam, about 10 minutes, I'm ready to go. Let's move on to the next phase. Is that McDonald's? Hell no, that's cheap, not broke. Do you see these hash browns? Do you see how? If you would be so kind, subscribe to my channel, like this video. If you want me to cook some more stuff and do some more recipes, drop a comment below and let me know what you want me to cook, because I be in here cooking it up. They be beating on my door. Hey, you gonna come cook for us? No, get back. I cook for myself because the food be smelling all good, be getting outside the house. Okay, back to the cooking. Boom! There it is. That's my breakfast. I eat that every day before I go to work, and the days I don't go to work, I eat it anyway. Why do I do that? Because it saves me money. Because when I don't eat breakfast at home, I tend to go out and go to Starbucks, get that sandwich, get that coffee. That's like $7. That'll run you in the ground. And then a lot of people say, I don't eat breakfast. But then you spending $15 at lunch. You going broke. You eating all your money up. You can be investing that money, retiring with that money. You can go out on a date with that money. I can go on a date with $15. But I'm just saying, breakfast is important. Go out on the weekend, figure out what you want to get. Go through, write your little list. You know what you like to eat. It ain't got to be all complicated. But if you don't eat breakfast, fine, get you a piece of fruit or something. But what I'm trying to avoid is going out to work, going out during the day on the weekend, and not having nothing to eat and spending $15, $20 because you didn't eat this morning. Don't do that. Grab you a little something at the house and heat up. You know what I'm saying? This food about to get cold, but I'm just saying. Get you some hash browns. They're on like $2.39. They're good. I'm about to wolf this down. Subscribe to the page. I'll see you next time.